You know, where I'm from, you don't see anything like this, and so it was just important to be able to come here and to see it. My name is Josh Carnley. I am Alabama State Senator from District 31. This first experience for me to be at a temple like this, and it's amazing to see the architecture, the time and the effort that's put into it. And so I think it's very beneficial to have this in a community for people to come and see, and then just see the history of someone's culture and to understand better about them and who they are and the beliefs that they have. No matter where you look, everybody is helping, no matter what stage of life that they're in, young or old or status. Everyone seems to be contributing and putting in, and so I think that's something that's stood out to me. Everybody's very humble and kind, and I think that speaks well of the people and their beliefs, and I just I'm impressed by everyone that I've met here. It's just amazing to me, the beauty, and something for these people to be proud of, and everybody that's contributed any time, they can always come here and point out things that they did, and it's just amazing to me to see how beautiful it is.